of the latest hair trends? If yes, come closer. I mean, come closer, because this video is for you. Hey my lovely friends, I trust everyone is doing pretty cool. If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Peculiar Hair and Styles. Feel free to join the family by subscribing, okay? Put the bell notification to all so you don't get to miss each time we upload a new video. Here in today's video, I brought to you some gorgeous braided style to inspire your next look. Just sit back and make sure you watch to the end, okay? Yeah. So before I continue, just go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up to help this video get to more people. Yes. If you have done that, thank you so much and keep watching. These styles are suitable for any outfit and perfect for any occasion or event, even everyday new look. Okay, just go ahead and try one of these styles out. Okay. These styles can be achieved with hair extension or any color. For extra pop, you can add some beautiful hair accessories. Okay. These styles can last for 4 to 6 weeks, depends on the maintenance. Okay. So let me know at the comment section which of these styles are your favorite and which will you give a try on your next hair salon appointment. I hope you enjoy watching. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, share and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all on my next one. Till then, continue taking care of yourself. Keep loving yourself. I love you too.